In the morning assembly of KD Convent, we would like to discuss on about World Earth Day. You know what? That is a very important day to know about the importance of Earth in this world. And if we don't conserve Earth, what is the main catastrophe coming to in future time? That all this point we would like to discuss at this time. I would like to say to you everyone right now, try to understand what I am going to tell at this time. First of all, there are so many questions coming to in our mind. There are so many questions coming to in our hearts. First question is coming, why do we celebrate World Earth Day? And if we celebrate World Earth Day, what is the main reason and what is the main fact? And from which year and from in which first time we celebrate World Earth Day? And why we call Earth is a unique planet around our universe? There are 8 planets in this world, and that among 8 planets, Earth is only unique planet. Why we call? There are so many questions coming to us, and we would like to discuss at this time right now. First of all, I would like to request to everyone in morning phase of the KD Convent to pin drop silence, make a peace environment, and try to listen what I am going to tell at this time, everyone. Dear friends, I want to say something, that unique planet, that's called Earth. And that's very honest time to discuss on World Earth Day. First of all, we would like to discuss its histories, from which year it coming to us and from which year it become the global awareness in this world. First time, there was a health conference in UNESCO in Francisco, and on that time John McNaught first time said to whole Earth peoples, we would like to aim the conservation of Earth. John McNaught such time on that time save the conservation of Earth. On that time, this period was in 1969. On that period and today's period, world difference around 55 to 56 years has passed. 55 to 50 years had passed. And on that time, first time John McNaught set in mind to conserve the Earth because of coming the future world. Earth would be the endangered position. And if we don't conserve the Earth, that whole universe, all creatures would be endangered positions. As you know that in universe 84 lakh units, and 84 lakh units would be the endangered position because life exists on Earth. There are 8 planets, and 3rd planet Earth, and 4th largest planet Earth, and other planets are in the universe. But why we say and why we choose Earth unique planet? Because Earth has all atmospheric occurrence. Our Earth has all atmospheric occurrence. Why? Because life exists on Earth. Why? Because Our Earth has atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and these all spheres makes biosphere. And if you watch the other planet, that you would you want to watch atmosphere? At least you found lithosphere, hydrosphere. Sometimes you found other planets that you don't found hydrosphere, you found lithosphere and atmosphere. That is the mystery point. That is the mystery point that our Earth is only unique planet in this world. Because our Earth has oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, good living for fresh water. Our Earth has 5 oceans. Our Earth has 7 continents. And 5 oceans and 7 continents make our Earth beautiful. But we would like to discuss at this time why do we conserve Earth Day. But before we would like to discuss, first time Earth Day was celebrated 22 April 1970. That was started by Harold Nelson. And before it was also said first time theme McConnell's 21st March 1969 equinox in the North Hemisphere. And equinox means 12 hours days and 12 hours night. Days and night are equals. But upcoming the future, Harold Johnson's make a event and he started first time 22 April 1970. We would like to celebrate World Earth Day. And since then we would like to celebrate World Earth Day. But our Earth led so many catastrophes throughout this present point. Such, we would like to pollute our water. Catastrophe number 1. We would like to pollute our air. We would like to decrease the process of plantation. Because trees are the important part of our earth, because trees make our planet fresh. Because trees release O2. We would like to take O2 and we would like to release CO2. And this is life cycle goes on each and every day. If our earth would not be exist on earth, the life would not be possible. Why? Because every tree of KD convent are on the earth. Every tree of KD convent are on the earth. And we would like to discuss trees gives us pure air. We would like to take pure air. And we would like to release CO2. And that all trees take CO2. When immediately it releases O2. Immediately we take O2. Immediately we release CO2. This life cycle goes on each and every day, each and every minute, each and every second. So, everyone, we would like to say you have to know the importance of earth. If you don't know the importance of earth, you would not do anything in your life. Such, at this time would like to say Nipu ma'am. What she says? What she says? She says about the importance of earth. What is the reliability of earth? If you live and exist on earth due to earth. And if when one day earth would be destroyed, life would be destroyed. So it is said by someone. It is said by someone, earth does not belong to us. It is said by someone, earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. Listen to me. Once again we would like to repeat this thought. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. If you think that you are too small to make a difference, if you think that you are too small to make a difference, try to live with a mosquito in the room. Try to live with a mosquito in the room. Just you are thinking that you are too small, you can't do for the earth. That one day, if you are not saved the earth, and if you are polluting so many earth, that mosquitoes are increasing, and one day mosquitoes are harvey on your life, and that your life won't be possible. Mosquitoes are the major point of disease. It creates malaria. Black fever. And mosquitoes makes our body language misbalance. Mosquitoes also create our mind. Create our mind, and if our mind would be created, that our body part don't we do something. So I say first time, if you think that you are too small to make a difference in this world, try to live with a mosquito in the room. So with this thought, with this idea, with this desirous point, we would like to finish our speech, but you all would like to know the importance of earth. And from today, I want to say to you, show your project paper to your class teacher, and class teacher would give you so many major point of the earth, and give you so many knowledge on the earth. From this point, I finish my speech. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best, everyone.